All right, we are on the record in file 21-48632-DM Ari Marie Nicole Gona versus Xavier Santiago Gona. We are here today for a hearing on a front of the court show cause order. We are proceeding today by video conference. Sir, you are Xavier Santiago Gona?
Yes.
Mr. Gona, it says here that you have a monthly child support charge of $702 and that you are currently behind in the payment of that support in the amount of $8,489.07. Do you understand, sir, that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yes.
You understand that if you were to plead guilty to this offense, that I could sentence you to jail for up to 30 days?
Yes, sir.
You are entitled to have a trial, and you can't be convicted unless the evidence at your trial proves that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You are entitled to have an attorney represent you here today and at any other proceedings that we might have on this matter. If you can't afford an attorney, you can tell me that now, and I would appoint one for you at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Would you like an attorney?
No, sir.
You are entitled to have all the witnesses against you appear at your trial. You or your lawyer could ask those witnesses questions at your trial while they're under oath. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You're also entitled to have any witnesses that you have for your defense to appear at your trial. Do you understand that as well?
Yes, sir.
You are not required to say anything at your trial, and no one can say anything about you not testifying or hold that against you in any way. Do you understand that?
Yes.
On the other hand, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you wanted to testify. You understand that as well?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the charge that you failed to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Not guilty.
Mr. Gomes pled not.
Is there and explain why I hadn't paid?
Well, not right now. We're going to have a trial, and you'll have a chance to tell your side of the story at that trial, and then I'll make a determination about the issue at that time. So this week is the turn of the year.
Yes, it is.
All right, so we're going to set this for trial on Tuesday, June 27th at 8 a.m. Mr. Gona, you need to be here in person for the trial.
Okay. So would I be able to would make sense to bring receipts and stuff that I had from prior that I have?
Yeah, if you have receipts showing that you have made payments, I would encourage you to contact the front of the court caseworker, but obviously you can bring those to court on the 27th.
Right.
All right, you're all set for the day. You can go ahead and log out.
All right, thank you.
Got someone here by telephone. Last four digits, your phone number is 7870. Can you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is Charles Grigson Jr.
We are on the record in file 20-47813-DS, Ashley Nicole Stone versus Charles Ray Grigson Jr. We are here today for a hearing on front of the court order to show cause. We are proceeding today by video conference. We have Mr. Grigson by telephone. Sir, you are Charles Ray Grigson Jr.?
Yes, correct.
Mr. Grigson, it says in the information I have that you have a monthly child support charge of $282 and that you're currently behind in the payment of that support in the amount of $8,968. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
My only understanding that I actually have of child support is myself.
Grigson? Mr. Grigson,
Yes.
before you start explaining anything, I need to make sure that you know what your rights are and what the charge against you is. All right, so I'm going to ask you some questions, and I just need you to answer directly the question that I've asked, okay?
Oh, okay.
Do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yes.
Do you understand that if you pled guilty to this offense, that I could sentence you to jail for up to 30 days?
Yes.
You are entitled to have a trial, and you can't be convicted unless the evidence at your trial proves that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You are entitled to have an attorney represent you here today and at any other proceedings that we have on this matter. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you want an attorney and you don't have the money to pay for one, you can tell me that now and I can appoint one for you at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yeah, but I can't afford one.
All right. We have Ms. Underwood from the Public Defender's Office here. I will put you in a breakout session with her so that you can speak to her privately.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You will fax that to her or scan it.
Yeah.
All right, we have Ms. Underwood and Mr. Grigson back from the breakout session. Ms. Underwood, how does Mr. Grigson want to proceed today?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Grigson's behalf. Mr. Grigson collects SSI and SSD. He lives in Ohio. He collects 530 on one and 390 on the other, and has never had a review through the front of the court. I have explained to Mr. Grigson that he needs to do that at ASAP, Your Honor, and I would ask that this be put over to after about a month, giving him a chance to get into front of the court and see where we are on this, Your Honor, with him collecting SSI and SSD. But he does not work and that's his only income.
All right, so this is a conversation Mr. Grigson has had apparently with the friend of court caseworker previously, but he's not provided any information or substantiation of the Social Security to the friend of the court previously. So what I'll do is I'm going to adjourn it 2 weeks to June 26th for Mr. Grigson to provide his Social Security information to the caseworker and file a petition. If those things have not been done by the 26th, I'm going to set it for trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Grigson, you need to log back in on June 26th at 8 a.m. with all the same Zoom information that you used to log in today.
Okay.
In the meantime, you need to provide your Social Security information to your caseworker.
So who's my caseworker?
Is that you, Mr. Vasquez?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with him back in May, so.
Caseworker is Jake Vasquez.
Okay.
I would
And
suggest
how do I contact them?
Call the same number you called last time. I can give you the number.
Let me get a pen and piece of paper. Actually, Stone gave me that information. You guys have not contacted me other than when I called you guys.
You needed to
Mr.
update,
Grigson,
you needed to
Mr.
update your
Grigson.
address.
Mr. Grigson, what's your
Yeah.
current address?